Once you've logged into the system as a teacher, on the home page you will notice a to-do list. The to-do list are really items that need your grading attention from the various grade books that you are enrolled with. The to-do list really is a list of gradable items from the grade books you have a teacher enrollment record in. In this case, you can see there's 55 items. At any time, you can click the refresh list to update this list. You can also filter the to-do list by choosing a respective course. Only the items that are gradable for that course will appear. You also can search for activities in the list. Any word that exists, so in this case I'm searching for a student whose name is Wanda. I have Wanda in 3 different classes, you can see by the color coding. Perhaps I have an issue and Wanda's parents are coming in and I want to make sure I have all of her activities graded. This is a very simple way to do that. When you click on an item that needs grading, specifically a submission, you will see either comments or the document that was submitted or a URL to an online document in the Content tab. You can flip over to the score and activity history to see how often it was submitted in case you gave them a retry. You can look at that submission history. You can also look at the analytics, depending on if it's turned on or turned off. So this just gives you a quick way to look at what's been submitted. You then can grade that submission, thumbs up or 100%. You also can come in and give them whatever score you want to. That works as well, or a 0 or no credit. You can save your comments if you're not done. You can submit your score, excuse them. These will all be discussed in the gradebook setting in greater detail. You can use a template to drop in information, or you can just write a response. You can also return a document to the user if you need to, or you can actually leave yourself a private note about what you're doing in case you want to allow a retry. So this grading window supports that. You simply click the grade and that's been done and it moves on to the next one. So you can see this was 95. You could also come in and simply search for an item, and based upon that item, then you could grade a number of them simultaneously at the same time, right? So this happens to be a quiz. With quizzes, you're going to have details brought to you. Questions, if they're essay questions, you'll need to grade the essay questions. And then once those essay questions have been graded, then you can force the score on the rest of the items. So that's how the to-do list works, and we'll cover more in the grading video.